Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let a1, a2, a3, an, be an AP. So, all A's are in AP, and then they have given you an equation out of which you have to find out the value of k. So, look at this how we will approach this question. So, if you will observe, these questions are little bit tricky, okay, but you know that the questions will be an MCQ only. So what I will do, there is no restriction on n. So suppose that we have to imagine an AP of 4 terms, suppose, and this AP has to be very easy one. So what I will do, I will consider 1 1 1. This is the AP, okay. So suppose that we have 4 terms in an AP where A1 is 1, A2 is 1, A3 is 1, and A4 is 1. Okay. Now just recreate this question. So can I write, look at this, A1, A4, then A2, A3. You have to increase the value of lower subscript of first A and you have to decrease the value of lower subscript of second A by 1. Okay. Then we have A3 and this thing will become A2. Then we have A4, A1. So you have to stop here. Equals K. We don't know who is K, and A1 is 1, AN is 4. Okay, then we have A1, A2, A3, we have A4. Now if you'll imagine this, look at this how your question is get, like it is drastically changed. So you know that 1 into 1 will become 1. So this is 1 1 1 and 1. So 4 ones will sum up to 4 k by 2, and again you have 4. So this thing gone. So the value of k becomes 2. Okay, so the required value of k equals 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.